What?
I'm ready to have sex.
Oh, okay. Great.
You're so dexterous with that.
Thanks.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah. Are you done?
Yeah. Yes.
Sorry, I was confused.
Yeah, but like,
What?
we have some sort of like blood.
What? Oh, shit. I get nosebleeds. Oh.
Here.
Thanks. Sorry. No, I'm good. Remember when tie-dye was an activity?
Oh, I didn't make that shirt. My parents got it for me at Sea Ranch. You can read Sea Ranch if you look close.
Cut to 10 years later.
What?
Like how 10 years ago you were in first grade and now we cut to.
What does cut to mean to you?
Or like, little did he know.
Nothing you're saying is making any sense.
How we're not virgins now. We deflowered each other. We have each other's flowers. Sorry. I'm just happy.
I didn't lose my virginity to you.
Wait. What?
I lost my virginity to Cassie Duvall.
Excuse me? You said you were a virgin.
No, I didn't. Because I'm not. And I haven't lied in 2 years.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I probably slept with like 6 people.
You don't even know if it's 6 people?
I don't keep a list.
Why wouldn't you keep a list? We're in high school.
Whoa, why are you getting so moody?
You did say you were a virgin.
I think you might have made